Welcome to Class Project 1. The name of the class project is How to Install Plugins in DaVinci Resolve. Now I have attached in a description and also an outcome, so let's get into it. These plugins enhance creative options and workflow efficiency, providing user with more tools to achieve their desired results. Let's get into the steps. And I have opened up my DaVinci Resolve. Now I'm going to make myself a new project. What I'm going to do is type in class project 1. Okay? Here I'm going to go off to my Fusion. Or first off, what we're going to do is going to be going off to any of the web browser which we have on our device. Now, after we have our browser opened up on our device, we can open up the link which I gave you, which is going to be the Reactor plugin. Okay? Reactor, or which is also known as Stake Underwater. Okay, you can try that out if you want to. So you can also, just take it from the work file which you have, put in the link, search for it, and then it will take you directly into, the Reactor plugin, which you will find out. You can just wait until it has opened up. This is the site. Go down, and then you have this option over here. I already have it downloaded. Just press on this button, and it will be downloaded into your workspace. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is go off to the Fusion. On the Fusion, on the notes, first we can just apply any one of the video which I want to use. So I'm going to apply one of the videos. Okay, tone change, do off the Fusion. There we go. So here's what I'm going to be needing. You can apply it on your timeline. It's just addition from where I want to show to you. So now what I'm going to do is going to be open up my panel, or open up the folder which I have my installer, and then drag it over here. And you'll basically see that this type of pop-up will appear up on your screen, which is going to be installation. Click on install and launch. And then you're going to do is wait for a bit until this shows up. Wait for a bit until all the steps are done, and it will be directly installed on DaVinci Resolve. Now, there are a couple of other ways of how you'll be able to install it on your workspace too. Okay, after you install it on your folder of your system in DaVinci, you'll basically see this is how it will look like. Now, what you can do is obviously open it up. You can see, and you can also go off to, your effects and find the mouse, which one you want to use. Okay. So what you can do is go OpenFX, and there you go. You have all of the effects which you can use. So these are the Reactor ones, and you can see that Reactor is also still updating. You can use them whenever you want, and you can also customize it whenever you want. Okay, so hope you understood about how you'll be able to install plugins on your workspace of DaVinci. And make sure whenever you are installing any update or installing any plugin, make sure you're connected with your account. Make sure you are connected with the internet. And obviously, the last tip, what is going to be is just make sure to take a screenshot of that plugin which you installed on DaVinci and upload it on our project now. And obviously customize it the way you want to. That's basically up to you on how you want your end result or your outcome to be. So thank you for watching this video up till the very end. You can try it now on your own, follow the steps, and obviously you will not face any hassle. So let's move on to our next class project, our class project 2 of DaVinci Resolve.